The unexpected cute looks of the super dog. Dogs are usually lovable and lovable. The cute, flirtatious look to the owner has broken the sharpest hearts. Those who don't like dogs have to think again. See if the dog is always playing innocently or when he is excited play with the owner's shoe. Either lying on the floor relaxing or lounging on the salon, even when it gives the owner a chance to stretch his back, it has different and very unique super impressive looks. Watch this short clip to experience and always love dogs.